Hello everyone, my name is Prasad Vinod Birari and today's date is 24 February 2022 and this is the original video and today's video topic is string constant pool SCP in Java. We are know that the Java virtual machine JVM are the various types of memory are allocated. In JVM allocate stack memory, heap memory, native memory or method memory. There are various types of memory in JVM. There JVM allocate the 1/4 memory for a heap memory area, and that heap memory area one special type of memory area is this. It's a string constant pool, means SCP. That heap area SCP area is used to store a string object. We are also known as the string object. We can create using two type. First is using string literal, and second one is using new keyword. Then suppose we can create a string object using string literal. Using a string literal object is created that this string literal object can be stored in a SCP, string constant pool area. There this string literal object is inside the SCP. That SCP there are create a new area. Suppose we create one string object. Suppose we create a string object Sham name Sham. That time SCP can be generate one reference variable. Suppose S1. This string S1 is reference variable for SCP constant, and that time we can create another S2. That S2 and SCP cannot create a new another string object. That is S2 directly refer to the first Sham object. First we can create object. So this is using string literal. We can also create using new keyword. We can create a string object. We can create a string object using new keyword. That time they are create two type of to store a object in a inside a heap or outside a heap. They are created two types of object. There's reference we can be firstly refer to the heap area, inside a heap area and inside SCP. That time we also create a heap memory area, one string object. They are these are create another inside a SCP. This is using constructor in a string object. There will be stored in a SCP. We can create another object from heap memory area, and one object is already in a SCP, inside in SCP. That time the SCP does not create another object that is stored in a first object reference. They directly refer to the first object reference. And heap area can be stored in a RAM memory. Heap area stored in this reference. There we can create a heap memory area. The heap memory area is a string object. That time Java JVM can be JVM can be called a garbage collector. Means garbage collector are not remove the object in ACP inside the ACP. They remove object in outside the ACP and inside the heap memory area. Suppose we can create a one string object. There we are no longer use. We cannot use no longer. The garbage collector remove the automatically this string area object into our heap memory area. This is the string constant pool concept. Thank you so much.